Conservation of plants and animals. Learning about conservation of plants and animals. Wildlife sanctuary. A wildlife sanctuary is aimed at protecting the wild animals where cutting of trees for timber and other forest products is permitted to private operators with specific instructions that well-being of wild animals does not suffer. At present, there are 368 sanctuaries in India. Students saw the board with Pachmadi Wildlife Sanctuary written on it. Then, Madhav explained them like reserve forests, wildlife sanctuaries provide protection and suitable living conditions to wild animals. He further explained that sanctuaries are places where killing, poaching, or capturing of animals is strictly prohibited. Some of the threatened wild animals like black bug, white-eyed buck, elephant, golden cat, pink-headed duck, gharaya, marsh crocodile, python, rhinoceros, etc. are protected and preserved in wildlife sanctuaries. Indian sanctuaries have unique landscapes, broad level forest, mountain forest, and bushlands in deltas of big rivers. It is a pity that even protected forests are not safe because people living in the neighborhood encroach upon them and destroy them. Children are reminded of their visit to the zoo. They recall that zoos are also places where the animals receive protection. National Park. On the roadside, there was another board on which it was written Satpura National Park. Children were eager to go there. Madhav told them that these reserves are large and diverse enough to protect whole sets of ecosystems. They preserve flora, fauna, landscape, and historic objects of an area. Satpura National Park is the first reserve of Indian forest. The finest Indian teak is found in this forest. Rock shelters are also found inside the Satpura National Park. These are the prehistoric evidences of human life in these jungles. They give us an idea of the life of primitive people. Rock paintings are found in these shelters. A total of 55 rock shelters have been identified in Pachmadi Biosphere Reserve. Figures of animals and men fighting, hunting, dancing, and playing musical instruments are depicted in these paintings. Many tribals still live in this area. As children moved ahead, they saw a board with Satpura Tiger Reserve written on it. Madhav explained that Project Tiger was launched by the government to protect the tigers in the country. The objective of this project was to ensure the survival and maintenance of the tiger population in the country. Tiger is one of the many species which is slowly disappearing from our forest. But the Satpura Tiger Reserve is unique in the sense that a significant increase in the population of tigers has been seen over here. Once upon a time, animals like lions, elephants, wild buffaloes, and Barasingha were also found in the Satpura National Park. Animals whose numbers are diminishing to a level that they might face extinction are known as endangered animals. Mother reminded them of the dinosaurs which became extinct a long time ago. Survival of some animals has become difficult because of disturbances in their natural habitat. Madhav told that small animals are much more in danger of becoming extinct than the bigger animals. At times, we kill snakes, frogs, lizards, bats, and owls ruthlessly without realizing their importance in the ecosystem. By killing them, we are harming ourselves. They might be small in size, but their role in the ecosystem cannot be ignored. They form a part of food chains and food webs. An ecosystem is made up of all the plants, animals, and microorganisms in an area, along with non living components such as climate, soil, river deltas, etc. Red Data Book. Madhav told them that Red Data Book is the source book which keeps an record of all the endangered animals and plants. It provides information on population status of the endangered species. There are different red data books which shows the risk of extinction of plants, animals, and other species. Migration. The excursion party that entered deeper into the forest under the guidance of Madhav. They sat near the Tava reservoir to relax for some time. Students observed some of the birds near the river. Madhav told the children that these are the migratory birds. These birds have flown here from other parts of the world. Migratory birds fly to faraway areas every year during a particular time because of climatic conditions. They fly for laying eggs as the weather in their natural habitat becomes very cold and inhospitable. Birds that cover long distances to reach another land are known as migratory birds. Did you know? India has more than half of the world's wild tigers, 65% of the Asian elephants, 85% of the great one-horned rhinoceros, and 100% of the Asian lions. India is sixth on the list of 12 mega biodiversity countries in the world. One of the most important factors that threaten wildlife today is habitat destruction due to encroachment. India contains 172 species of animals considered globally threatened. This includes 53 species of mammals, 69 species of birds, 23 of reptiles, and 3 species of amphibians. India contains globally important population of some of the Asia's rarest animals such as the Bengal fox, marbled cat, Asiatic lion, Indian elephant, Asiatic wild ass, Indian rhinoceros, gaur, wild Asiatic water buffalo, etc.
That is all in this topic, students. Keep learning.